What's up, guys? It's JT Traveler back again with another video, and today we are biking to check out some 3D printed houses. Somebody told me about this and I was like, I have to go check this out for myself. I finally have slicker tires on the Zion Ascend. They are the Schwalbe Marathon 365, I believe. Hopefully it's not going to be a repeat of what happened last time. Check out this a majestic horse. And it was really windy. It was like 52, but it felt like 42 because it was like super cold outside. So yeah. Where you guys headed?
It's up to Red Horn.
Gotcha. I'm trying to go to Georgetown and see like the 3D printed houses over there. Georgetown. If you look up 3D printed like structures, it's this company that's making the whole neighborhood.
Oh, really?
So I'm gonna check it out.
Awesome.
Yeah. Nice to meet you guys. Have a good one.
Yeah,
Ooh, still not in shape, guys. I can't keep up. Still not quite in shape. Yeah, so these tires were amazing. I don't know what I was doing before. I was able to get up these hills relatively easily and puncture free, and that's all that matters to me. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I'm out of shape. That is great to be out of shape. Da-da-da-da-da. Just means I can get back in shape, so I can be great back in shape. Woo! I don't mind being out of shape, cause it's great to be out of shape. That means I can get back in shape and be great being in shape. I'm out of shape and this wind is killing me. Just some nice humble farmlands. I'm getting tired of hearing cars all the time, bro. Swish, swish, swish. I can never bike in peace nowadays, man. Once we go here, but it says no outlet. Interesting. Yeah. Beautiful little area. Very beautiful. These type of streets I want to bike down. I gotta get my dog spray ready. Oh! Right as I said that, bro, I gotta get my dog horn ready. Get that in my hand. This seems like dog territory. Oh, well, those like you can cross over. Maybe because it's flooded. That's probably why. As long as we don't step into the property, I don't think we'll get shot. But you never know. Really pretty. Nice. This is back road biking. I love this, man. This is beautiful. Like, look at the terrain and the. What am I talking about? Anyways, things got worse after this point. Biking on the grass. That's fine. That's okay. As long as we don't get a puncture. If the road ain't big enough for SUV, it ain't big enough for me. So yeah, pretty much this whole road alternated. Like when the road was big enough, I hopped on the road and it got a little thin skinny. I went back onto the grass, and that's just how I did it. And man, oh man, this was a process. It was a process. But my tires did not do bad on grass. But sometimes they get a little crazy. If it ain't big enough for a SUV, it ain't big enough for a JT. This is why we get to some higher ground. Hopefully I can use the restroom soon, because I need to. Oh, it got wider. Let's get back on. Well, I just killed my confidence, so they went straight into my bike biking. They have mountain biking, road biking, they have gravel biking. Where's the grass biking at? I'm a grass biker through the prairies, you know what I'm saying? Let me get to the middle lane, even though I'm pretty sure this is illegal. Oh yeah, baby! This is crazy! I'm crazy, yeah! Oh yeah, baby! Give me some ball! Give me some ball! Wildlife crossing, they talking about me. Watch out for the wild dog in me. Welcome to the dog pound. Infinite amounts of away from cars. I love it. Little bitty creek. We made it to the 3D printed neighborhood, man. Check out these houses. These are all 3D printed, and they all look great in my opinion. They look really cool. To me, they remind me of the Incredibles movie, like those houses they were living in. But yeah, they were really nice. Let's go check one out. I'm having my granola HT Traveler. I promise I'll keep my calories up. So this is the room. It has 2,000 square feet, 3 beds, and 2 baths. It's for the texture. Oh, it looks kind of weird. Yeah, let's go inside and check it out. Oh, very interesting. This would be your office room. It's really hot in here. It's like 50 degrees outside, but it's hot inside here. Here's your little closet. I didn't know the walls on the inside were going to be this texture. So this is made by a process using lavacrete, which is it's a dry material, they said, that they mix with water and stuff, and then they feed that through a hose to their printer, and it all gets printed out one layer at a time, and you can see those layers. So that's how it's made, and I think they just go over and paint it. So the paint process, I wonder how they do that. Over here, we got the first bedroom. It's a decent sized bedroom, actually. It's kind of small, a little small, but everything feels very insulated for sure. Oh, how do I hang my art on the wall? Let's find out. Then here goes your grand living room. It's very nice, very open, big, like big ceiling, outdoor, good size. All right, and let's see what this is. This looks like the master bedroom, if I had to guess. Yeah. Very nice. Super interesting. Like, my thing is, I wonder if they can come in afterwards and like sand this flat, and then that way you can get like a flat texture in the back of it, or in the inside, and keep this texture on the outside. You got the bathroom, dual sinks, and then you got tub, shower. It's pretty good, and they were able to put tile on there as well. Here goes your. This just looks like a spa. Like you're in like a spa, getting ready to get a massage, go to a hot tub or whatnot. So one thing I'm seeing around the outlets is that it's probably hard to get them flush. As you can see, there's like a bunch of gaps between like their surfaces and stuff like that. So I wonder if there's a better way they could do that. It's a very interesting concept, and I think some people will buy this. Here goes here looking into the kitchen. Let's go check out the kitchen next. But this room right here has a whole lot of space to do activities. You could play pickleball if you wanted to right there, or ping pong. Yeah, here's the kitchen. I do like this design for the kitchen, so that way you can move around. You have an island, you can eat right here. You have to always eat over here in the dining room. Yeah, I would change this to induction stove. Heavy duty backyard, sliding door. Yeah, this is the kind of cozy little nook in your backyard. You can lounge right here. Yeah, super nice. Let's go around. Yeah, I definitely like the concept. This is very nice. Go ahead and check out another floor plan. And then we got bike back home, guys. Next up, we got the Jorn. This has 1,900 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths. So we got a 2-car garage once again. You have 2 windows in the front, which is nice. I like this a lot. Ooh. This is nice. The storage. Oh yeah, so storage for your coats and stuff like this. So this is the living room. It's a little tight right here, but it does the job. This is the front entrance area. I like this front entrance. This is super nice. Nice kitchen. I like these orbs up top. So this one says it has 3 bedrooms, and I do see that the house extends back. So let's see what they're talking about. This is like a nice little dining area, and I like what they did with the mirrors. It makes it feel like there's another room right here. Okay, I can get with this one. I kind of like this. All right, so back here we have room for your washer and dryer, and let's see. So this is a hallway. Let's look back and forth. So we got one of those long hallways. It's giving me Spy Kids vibes. Let's see if they locked. They didn't lock it this time. So this is the garage. Check this out. See that? I think it has enough room for 2 cars. So you may have a little bit of space to put your like workshop stuff, a bench and stuff like that. But it's not the biggest garage I've ever seen in my life. Hallway, and I think this is where all the bedrooms are at. This is the bathroom. Towels are not too bad. I do like the green touches. First bedroom we're coming across. It's an okay size. It's kind of small. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But maybe this could be your office. So I think these. Oh, look, bikers. So yeah, this would be my bike office. So next, we got this other bedroom. The bedrooms are kind of small. I feel like they could have sacrificed. Like, if you look outside, they have like this little gravel area. They should have probably moved it out more. Give some more room to these bedrooms because they are for sleeping and nothing else. Here goes your master bedroom. Very, very cool. Get decent view of your outside. Very nice to wake up to that view. Yeah, man. I wonder how hot this gets in the summertime. But you can fit a king size in here. Here's a bathroom. It's pretty much the same as the other one. Got the his and hers. Nice soaking tub. And then a decent shower. Now the question is, will I stand? And the answer is I do stand. Okay, size closet. Okay. What I would do is probably sand this all flat. Come in here and stucco like the wall flat. Not gonna lie, cause see this one has one that's extruded too, but it's not flush. So it's gonna be tricky to put outlets in here if you wanted outlets. So this is a pretty good backyard. Yeah, pretty good backyard. You have a lot of room to throw a football. Do whatever you want. Very cool. I like this layout the best. And like, I wonder how the process would be, say if I want to add an extra room to this whole house. I wonder what the process would be, what type of clearance you would need to get. So what do you guys think about those 3D printed houses? Have you ever seen one? Have you ever been inside one? And what do you think those should be worth? You know, they're listed around, I think it was around 400K to like 300K, so not super bad for like a new technology like that. One concern I had about those houses is if you ever wanted to do like modifications on the inside, extend the house or do any of those type of modifications, what would the process be if you could do that, you know? But they're very interesting. Would I buy one? I don't know why it sent me down this way, but we have to go off-roading again. I guess they want me to be on the road, but I'm not going on the road when people are going 60 plus. That's stupid. Actually, let's just keep going this way. I don't mind this. I'm just scared of debris. Yeah, I feel like more people should get out there and do adventure biking, because on YouTube and everywhere, everybody's like, you either do mountain biking or you either do road biking. But I feel like with adventure biking, it's good just to type in a location to your GPS and just go there no matter what you have to run into. It's a good challenge. That's why I enjoy doing it versus like just riding on the street or mountain biking through a path. I like adventure biking, man. I feel like more young people should do it, especially so they can actually know about the place that they live. I feel like it's the best way just to discover an area, biking around. Oh yeah, we're burning it now. Woo, man, this is fast, man. My bike is fast now. Oh, man. Oh, man. Woo. This is all the way uphill the whole way. Woo. Uphill in cars. You gotta love it. This freaking sucks. Give me a sidewalk or something. Shaky legs. Oh, my legs are done, bro. Done. I could bike on that, but if I mess up, that's gonna be a big slide down. Actually, I went the other way. This way is dead. Looks like somebody used to live there. He's like, we'll pay you, move. Like, no, I'm not moving for nobody. So he just dig the ditch. He could never go back to his house ever again. Don't tell me you were supposed to be the one that didn't get the flat. I can't believe this. I am running through tubes, bro. This is not cheap. Not cheap whatsoever. Let's find out where this is what's going on and get all this stuff out. I'm tired. Hands are done. Every time it gets flat, I'm gonna pump it and keep on going. We're close to the house. I'm not really too surprised. If I were to get flat, this would have been the trip I would got flat, 100%. The other one yesterday, the last week I did, no reason. All right, hopefully this fits. 29 by 1 blah, 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 blah. I live that tube life. I live that tube life. Second time I have flat. But I think that time was my fault because I took a bad route. Go check out some more videos from my biking playlist. If you like this adventure, you'll like the other ones. Thanks for watching. Have a good day today, tomorrow, and yesterday. See you guys later.